Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing my unboxing for my holiday Dior beauty purchases. So you guys, I'll show you guys, this is my apartment complex where I am taking all the boxes. We have that one, and then that's my rabbit, and these are like the unpacked packaging of your beauty holiday. This is from 2021. Look at this. I'm starting to open it, you guys. Ta-da-ta-da. I cannot wait. So these are the 3 items that I separately order. So I got 3 couture boxes from Dior. So this is the first one. I'm being careful, you guys, so that I'm not gonna tear this tissue paper, so bear with me. This is it. So you guys, this is such a cute holiday makeup as well as bag that you could use all at the same time, and this is like purely gold in color, so this should not be taking so long. 1 second, you guys. Currently opening it. Here you go. These are like the samples, beauty samples from Dior with the beauty pouches, and that is just the Dior set that I just picked up. The free pink pouch over here. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. And some face makeup foundation free. And this is the most awaited Rouge Dior Minaudiere The Atelier of Dreams, and currently I'm opening the box. I've been waiting for this one. It's all in gold color, and this is the first time that I would be seeing this one in action. So yeah, I'm showing it to you guys right now. 1 second, you guys. Yeah, so I've been wanting to make sure that the plastic, I'm not gonna ruin it. So cute! Oh my gulay! This is the bag. I ordered so much of Dior. Gosh. So it comes with this bag. Where you can store your bag, and it comes with a chain, as you can see. Look at this one. For the holiday collection. I'm not gonna do it because it's taking so much time already, but this is what inside.